Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes is that the Tigray Defense Force claims to have made extensive territorial gains, but on the other hand, the Ethiopian government denies the Tigray Defense Force statement. And Tigray Defense Force has released footage of captured Ethiopian equipment as evidence. And many photos and videos of Ethiopian National Defense Force heavy weapons captured by Tigray Defense Force during Operation Alula shared on social media as evidence. And they have also released pictures of at least hundreds of Ethiopian and Eritrean prisoners of war. Viewers, now it is being said that the former head of Information Network Security Agency of Ethiopia, General Tekle Berhan, said on his Twitter page that 2 or 3 of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers, around 7 divisions, were killed and wounded and captured within 1 week of Tigray Defense Force Operation Alula. Viewers, and now it is being said that unusual warplane flights were seen in Mekelle city coming from unusual direction. And there are also reports that Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers stationed at the outskirts of Mekelle has pointed the direction of their heavy artilleries toward the city. Because on the other hand, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed gave forces in the northern Tigray region a 3-day ultimatum to surrender before the military begins an offensive on the regional capital of Mekelle. And he said that we urge you to surrender peacefully within 72 hours, recognizing that you are at the point of no return. Because Abiy said on Sunday evening, but so far there was no immediate comment from the Tigray government or Tigray Defense Force about the Abiy Ahmed statement. Viewers, and Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's statement came hours after an Ethiopian military spokesman said the army plans to surround Mekelle with tanks and may attack it with artillery to end a nearly 3-week war, and urging civilians to save themselves. But on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force also claiming that Tigray Defense Force fighters surrounded the regional capital Mekelle from 3 sides, and Tigray Defense Force reached around the capital Mekelle. But military spokesman Colonel Dejene told the Ethiopia Broadcasting Corporation the next phase of the operation was to encircle Mekelle using tanks. And we want to send a message to the public in Mekelle to save yourselves from any artillery attacks and free yourselves. After that, there will be no mercy. So, so far this latest update about Mekelle and Operation Alula. Thanks for watching.